Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico. In this video, I'm going to teach you how can you build an AI agent at Copilot Studio that every time you receive an email, the AI agent will draft an email for you. Instead of you waking in the morning and reading all the emails, understanding the email and trying to reply all of them, the AI agent will draft an email every time you receive a new email at your inbox. So you can earn some time and have a specific agent that can build all these drafts for you. We're going to build that in like 5 minutes, so let's go. First thing here, you should go to the copilotstudio.microsoft.com, and here, instead of creating blank agent, I will describe what my agent needs to do. So my agent will draft emails every time I received a new email at my inbox in Outlook. Easy as that. I'm going to click next here, and Copilot will draft an agent to us, and we're going to have the instructions ready to go. We're going to have the suggestion about the tools and triggers. That's exactly what I would do if I am building manually, but I can use the help of the Copilot Studio, the AI helping us to create an AI agent. That's so cool, right? So after I sent the line that we wrote before, we already have everything that we need. We have a name, email, draft assistant, we have instructions, we have tools and triggers. But the tools and triggers are suggestions, so we need to select those that we think is better for this agent. What we want to do, what is the tools that we want to use at this agent? We want to draft an email message. We can update an email draft and we can send a draft message, but I don't want to send those emails. I want to create them, and as an human, I want to read and check if it is okay and send this email at the morning, for example. So I will not select the send a draft. I will add the action of draft an email message. Let me create here, add and configure. It's having some bug here, but no worries. I'm going to click add and configure. Okay. This is the tool. I will leave dynamically fill with AI into subject and body. I'm going to go back to the overview and I will add. Oops, I did not save it. Okay, I save it. I'm going to add the updates an email drafted message. Maybe we will need that. I don't know. So I will add this here. I can also add this other tool right here that was a suggestion, like assign an Outlook category, but I will not, but I can, right? I can add any tools that I want. And the next step here is the trigger. As I said on the beginning of the video, I want to trigger the agent. I want the agent to draft an email every time I receive a new email. So when a new email arrives, and can be a new email arrives in a shared mailbox if you want, or just when a new email mentioning you arrives. So you can change the trigger the way you want, right? So when a new email arrives, I will add, and this will create and power automate cloud flow. Okay, so the trigger name will, when a new email arrives, I will draft an email at my agent. This is my trigger name. Next, I will add the folder if I want. So if you do not want to draft an email every time an email is at your inbox, but you have a specifically subfolder or specifically folder, you can select here. So I have this folder right here. It's in Português, caixa de entrada, but it's inbox in English, okay? And I can have parameters. So just draft an email when the two have the specifically recipient, or with a specifically person copied on the email or from someone specifically. You can insert here. It's optional, so I am not inserting nothing, so every email at this folder will be a trigger, right? After that, I can change the additional instruction to my agent. So here it's using content from body, but also I can use also this properties and insert here other properties, not just the body. It's hard to do that here on the Copilot, so I can create the trigger, go to the automate cloud flow and change the flow. Okay, hit close here. We're going to have this trigger. I can click here, edit in Power Automate, and it's an automate cloud flow. So here, as I said, we can change. So instead of just using the body, using content from body, email, I can insert like email from and insert the from, right? Email CC and insert the to, right? Or the copy and so on. So I can insert more properties here if I want, right? Also, I can insert like ID of the email and insert the ID of this email. I have here somewhere the message ID. Okay, I'm going to publish it again, and this flow is ready to go. This agent is ready to go. What does this mean? This means that if I send an email to my inbox, I will have a new draft, right? It's on. This is on. I can publish to make sure it is on, right? And the agent is live. What I'm going to do here is to test. I'm going to send an abstract email just asking for something to myself at my email, and we're going to check the answer. But you can connect knowledge. You can connect Dataverse tables. You can connect SQL tables, SharePoint libraries, and the agent will check those data before replying but creating the draft, right? So let's test this agent. I'm going to open my Outlook here. I'm going to send an email from an account to myself. I'm going to send an email from this account to my account at this tenant, right? That is connected to the agent. And I'm going to ask for something. Hello, what is the meaning of banana? And also, what is the answer to 1 + 1? I'm going to send testing. I'm going to send this message to my account. What is going to happen here is that in the activity, we have no activity right now, but in some minutes, the trigger will be triggered and we're going to have a new activity right here. Here is it, an automated triggered my agent, and we can see what happens. So when a new email arrives, draft a new email, and here's it. So the agent is ready to, oops, there's a bug here, ready to check the body, check the properties, and draft a new email. So if I go to my Outlook, here is it, guys. In my draft folders, I have this answer right here. Hello, thank you for your email. I have to help you. Banana is a tropical fruit. 1 + 1, 1 + 1 is 2. So I can have a better agent, right? I can change how the agent reply. I can say that is an HTML to build unbuild HTML before replying, because I want to reply with a good HTML to build a table, to format this email using other tools also. So the reason that I record this video is to show you what is the power of Copilot Studio, how can you use agents in your daily, and one agent that you can build pretty quickly and can be helpful for you is this one. You can improve this agent and have more tools and more formatting when using the actions, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up, share the channel with your colleagues, And if you liked this video and watched the video completed, leave it down below your feedback and write down the word banana so I will know that you watched this video completed. Thank you so much for watching. Check the links at the description and we see you in another video in another class, and please consider to subscribe.